Well, that's na Jennifer Gapo, Emmanuel 450,000. Go chill go now.
Intimema na aba no, o mani awai. O mo nko so mama na ntwom ni sa Debbie. Lady bi akodi be ma bi sika ma ne to atwi after say be ma ne send ni sika say on fanye transportation. On a guy go agreement. Oh, send me lorry fare na me mbra fie. Be ma send ni sika ya get na kodi sika. O ma lorry fare wadi wa ma. Ama be ma de get na kodi na court. Magistrate or time say say girl no enti 450,000 ema guy no enye sa okodem for 7 years. Mema won chirebu no wate ase no akire wadwen ama me e wo comment section. Aha you Penyah broken best say any day mo. Obe like video no down ma subscribe button so na ba kire notification account for latest update. Na ba kire wadwen de ama me e wo comment section. Mesa so ba so no wa video mo for so enya bi ahwe. Enti this particular issue happen in Nigeria. Okay, Nigeria, there are two prominent TikTokers. Aside Penyah, there are other two prominent TikTokers. Back with your friend Gege, on what school your friend Gege University. Our TikTok app neso. And back with your friend Cider Board. Gege no eye bema. Cider Board no eye oba. It is said akoye no. Cider Board no okasa ema cause oye oba. It no o promote ma motivate ema omu date chiro mo format omesu eyusu in their relationship. Say bema ebe he omu mema be mo muska any ade ema osa ka bi ema ma. So ba chiti kra na beto say enya no any ade na Gege no so ono so e defend mema no mema ne format e kire mema ne say oba wo chiti che say oma mema ne hu the kind of ladies a omu wo ye ntem ene ye no omu asase we so ene.
Not let get deceive you say I know they follow you because of your money. Every woman is following you because of you and what you can offer. If na money you get, she dey follow you because of the money.
Emma Gege American assembly say oba life actually enye easy. Any pay guso and the seriousness oba life obi atena say said ye lecture bi aba lecture hall na o kire serious subject bi just a major course bi na obi a pay serious attention e what class say be happen say Gege ba life
your present girlfriend na somebody else girlfriend. The girl you dey date now was once in a relationship with another person. And everything what she dey tell you now, she don't tell that person before.
Not true.
Everything that they do together, now whether she dey sell doggy for you, anything that what she dey give you, she don't give that person before.
Not
The
true.
question now is, why are they not together?
Why are they not together?
Why are they not together?
It is a
Why she don't end up with that person?
Why?
That's because that person as a young boy they come up. Look many of them they laugh. As you small like that, so as a young boy, you carry a woman for head.
Forgive me, mentor. Forgive me.
Nigerians people should come home. I'm not in a relationship.
Forgive me. No verse.
Then we need to gather, organize an award for you for being the first Nigerian to be in a relationship.
No
That's
verse.
why it's fast. The white pass people like what we say with pen. If I dey give my advice, many of them dey say my advice dey come from a place of bitterness.
No, we don't understand you.
It's like women.
Talk to
When I dey
me.
give you
Talk to
advice,
us.
you go dey aware. So when you see some things wey dey happen around you, you go know sir, Gege talk this thing before. You go know the right thing to do at that moment. Not the fear to dump woman. Once you see some signs, dump her. No excuse, just let her go.
Bam.
Because your future is more important
Exactly.
than that relationship.
God bless you. Mentorship. Mentor me.
Relationship, go and build yourself and become a better person. Now the little really matter be that. I love you, it's not enough. She dey cook for me, it's not enough.
Yeah.
I wash my clothes, it's not enough.
Yeah.
We dey live together, she dey stay with me, and my man know me, I don't pay introduction. Those things are not enough.
God.
A man can do all those things for you and still shit on you.
Right on. Right on.
That your girlfriend will be there with you now when they stay the same house with you. She dey text other boys. She dey message other boys. She dey go visit them. Person girlfriend never visit you before.
Omo, na true dey
So
talk.
all of a sudden your girlfriend is innocent. Your girlfriend is different. Person girlfriend never visit you before. All this is when I tell you, I'm not telling you things like so you go feel bad about yourself. But so you go prepare for moments like this, days like this they come.
Na so heartbreak day.
Like this, you know,
Heartbreak day.
you know, go day strange to you.
Yes.
You know, kill yourself.
The day where you trust
you because
who you trust so be ready.
Because you're not there aware. You're not prepared for moments like this.
Random mentor.
Stop carrying responsibilities of relationship.
Number 7.
You know the worst thing? Your serious relationship. Your serious relationship. Now somebody says.
When so be I get seated. You must set to my camera, not almost, or must set to my phone, not almost with almost taking notice down. As almost a gig, you know, need to.
Relationship can be defined as a situation by which you invite somebody into your life to carry the responsibility of that person, and when you not get again, the person go move on to the next person wey go fit carry our responsibility. Everybody say relationship is overrated. Relationship is overrated. Where those Yahoo boys of 2022 to 2024, those are girlfriends of that time where the boys they hot. Anywhere the boys dey, you must see the girls for there. Where those girls, 90% of them don't break up with those boys as the boys don't broke now. This one they tell you not believe me, go and do research. Those Yahoo boys where their hand hot before. As they don't broke, go check them. Those girls with they date that time, they're not there with them again. They are now in a new relationship with new set of people. That time when those boys they hot, anything where they buy for themselves, they go buy for the girl because they believe say many of them believe that I say now the grace of the girl help them pick. So anything where they buy for themselves, they go buy for the girl. Same iPhone, same color of clothes, they'll lodge apartment, they do mirror selfie.
Or the teaching me ebe boom and all man church about what a cheating girlfriend is.
Any girl will cheat on you as your girlfriend, the day you find out with enough evidence, let her go. Because girl will cheat on you as your girlfriend, she go see shit on you as your wife. Nothing like say yeah, she go shade. You not fit shade adult. It just be like say you go buy those white lion, not be the one they born for baby. You won't got tamer. Those white one will already be adult lion. You say na adult lion you won't change. Now say it be. If she compare you to another man, dump her. Because before she dey compare you, so she believes that those people better pass you. So let her go and end up with those people. They are better than you. So let her go and settle down with them. Make sure not make your life miserable because they make you insecure about yourself. Many of them want you to pay for the sins of their past relationship. I suffer with that boy. As I suffer with that one, so he later get money. He can go marry another girl. So therefore, any man when I go date again, I go make sure say one day I know if he see anything good from me. They won't make life miserable for you. They want you to pay for the sins of other people. And you now they commit everything into that relationship to make sure say that relationship work. Go and develop yourself, build relationship with yourself, become more valuable every day of your life.
Or the video buying, emu anasada boy Johnson Kasama man. On say be a counter defense with a video. Anybody tell oh, say be ma oge chitia, nyano he, nyano ho abotre nya abotre twan, ana say nyon kwa na ge chiti, oge chitia ya abotre, nyano ho nko e bia bibi na trigger ye, e no chiti ye.
If your girlfriend dey cheat on you, just give her time, she go change. Just give her time, she go change. Put her in your prayers. Make you and your family pray for her. You know women are polygamous in nature. Give her time, she go change. You say you love someone, you want to leave her because of common cheating. The next guy where you go meet, she go still cheat now. Just stay with the one you know. The devil you know is better than the angel you don't know. Stay with her, love her, pray for her, guide her through it. You understand? And wait. It will take time, but eventually she will be loyal to you.
Say side boy a video, e man ni je ho no mu promote push video no. Sa na me man so, say gege a video a. Almost e push e ma video no e go viral because obi a feel say de omu ehia ana ne fellow it maka say these two people obi a was student I say omu esena say omu etie no. Now there is one student from the campus or from the school of Gege, and there is another student from the school of Cyberbot. Now despite all these two lectures say omu date Gege a student back friend Emmanuel on Cyberbot a student friend Jennifer omu date. That is omu date. Now Jennifer we tie Cyberbot am just say I treated the trim what do madwuma hye on Emmanuel eto nyina no ono no the mastermind and any date it recently and then Emmanuel jabe ma wanya oba on Jennifer din kwa oh Jennifer me do for besra me ala say okram to nka nche bra fie bra me to nka nche besra me enye ba so okay o dia meba Nigeria meba to the same lorry fair it is from the place no to no hono no obe lord for mention is as well as 30,000 naira or I say 30k or I say 30k na mfa ka emra enenye Emmanuel send 30,000 naira no Emma Jennifer on the promise said Jennifer saka sika na or the faka aba onu Emmanuel efie sika nkodu Jennifer nsem wana watena so ofena woni ampeki bi oma ofie no Emmanuel frɛ Jennifer frɛ na onfa ebo so call neko no was no akate no ene ne what social media no celebrate ni age say watwe Emmanuel agi watwe gege student ba ko agi ene na ema ne abre ema ne nyina ebose omo celebrate so matimi de gege student ba ko awo form emu ana gege si David onti ase ana ka che Emmanuel say asemi pushi for court ye be diro chi pushi school ni nyina ebe tawachi pushi court ene ne Emmanuel eso tamwasem no ene o de call court bi a ewo Benue State in Nigeria honor that case no ekoye na magistrate otena asem no so no otie afani mienu nyina no ana magistrate say o David this is a breach of contract or I say this is a breach of promise or this is kind man or the man on account says kind account sir obeba no ho fie e ma what ase but kind account sir no wow nko ezare say opese all the adwene ene di no eti magistrate hwe Jennifer no say there be Jennifer ade awaye no enyambrasem na wadie eti no me de achew to ya 450,000 naira Emma Emmanuel or you face 7 years imprisonment.
Well, that's na Jennifer Gaku Emmanuel 450,000. We will go chill go now in the ebo maka oboda no. Because of Lika iwosede oburu na okuro ega Emmanuel na Jennifer gaga mpola are isa otu akampu ya. God.
What does it? I'm a focus social media no so dia. Take us for no omo etro madwen e wo ho.
This girl collected 30,000 naira transport fare from a guy called Emmanuel and she refused to visit Emmanuel. So Emmanuel took her to the court and at the end of the day, the court declared that she paid Emmanuel 450,000 naira or she go to prison and spend 7 years. This is what we are talking about. This is what we are looking for. If any girl collects transportation fare from you and refuse to visit you, take her to court. Take her to court and you see how much you are going to gain from her. Take her to court. Either it's 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, any amount, as long as you send her money. She says she's going to come to your place. You send her money and she refused to come. Quickly just take her to court. And at the end of the day, you cash out big. I think this is how we're supposed to do now. Yes, I am proud of you, Emmanuel. In fact, brotherhood is proud of you. You did the right thing. So all those girls who you think you can just go and collect transport fare from different guys, then you block them or you refuse to go to their house, or yeah, continue and let's see how it will favor you now. No, continue collecting. I spoke about this transportation fare of a Tino in my last video. I spoke about it. I said, don't collect transport from any guy if you know you're not going to visit him. Because instead that the guy take you to court, or he use juju to eliminate you, or he use police to arrest you. Either way, you will not be favored. So now who lose? She collected 30,000 naira and now the guy is getting back 450,000 naira. That is 420,000 naira gain. Without sweat, you know. So please, who is coming to collect transportation fare of 50,000 naira from me? And you refuse to come, so that I'll just take you to court and get back probably 1 million naira. Please, if you're interested, DM me now. Guys, this is another new business in town. You understand, ba? So if you give anybody a transportation fare and she refuses to come to your house, take her to court and you cash out big. Share this video. Hello to all the gay students in the house.
Gay students don't they do IT, they don't they put it that they learn into action. One guy will be Emmanuel, and I send one girl 30K, make it come meet her for a year. So the girl eats the money, not can go. Now so the guy carry the girl go court. Now they charge the girl. They don't tell the girl to make he pay the boy 450,000 naira for breach of promise. More. With the look of this, be like say men go start to dey marry their fellow men. May everybody just kukuma rest. 30,000 naira. She's to pay back 450,000 naira. What did they happen?
Girls, stop eating transport money. Eating transport money now in Nigeria is an offense. So this lady collected 20 pa from someone. She said she wanted to go and visit him, or she deceived him, collected 20K, and she refused going to visit this guy. So this guy reported the matter and took her to court. And in the court of law, it was ruled against her, and she was asked to pay 450,000 naira to the guy. 20,000 naira transport is what this girl collected from him, but she was asked to pay 450,000 naira. So as if someone promised you marriage, a man promised to marry you and he refused to marry you, you can take him to court and you will win 5 million naira. Girls, stop eating transport. Those of you say thank God say they chop their transport. If the boy mean you and he has money for court case, he will take you to court and you're going to pay more than what you collected. What do you think about this story? Get students will be happy about this update, but Sadabosh students, they no go like her.
Gege, your students don't they graduate though. In fact, this is one of your latest BSc order, because a magistrate court has just fined Jennifer 450,000 naira for collecting transport fare and refusing to show up. This court case involving Emmanuel suing Jennifer for breach of promise. Now, Jennifer collected 150,000 naira for transport fare but did not show up at Emmanuel's house. Now, the court has fined Jennifer to pay 450,000 naira or 7 years in jail. Hey, that is the shock on her face. And I see shock on her face like, how much I collect? How much and I say make I pay? Hey. Gege, your students, I'm very sure they are making you proud. Hey, God, I beg. From 150 to 450,000 naira because person breach promise. Say I go come, I no come. You no can't show up. You can't chop transport money. All the very best though.
Jesus Christ. So this girl they see from my screen here. Information reaching us now. We say she has been arrested. So she met somebody online. They were chatting, and the guy asked her, "Can we meet up?" She said, "Yes, we can meet up. Send me transport money." And this guy sends her 200K for transport. And the girl look. She no let her go visit this guy. So the guy begin track her location. So the guy can't go police station, go report to police. Say this girl, he invite the girl come, send her money. The girl no agree come. The girl don't chop your money. She no agree send the money back. So police say, I don't think we can really help you. You know, now I don't know how to contact settle them. Then contact making involve lawyer for the case. So the boy involved his lawyer. They tracked her down and they took her to court. So the girl now they court currently, and courts don't ask her to pay back the money because the boy now don't find the girl 450,000. Yes, for not paying him back his own 200K. So now the girl is going to pay back 450K for eating transport money of 200K. Hi! So things like this they happen. So if person chop transport money, police go fit arrest them, and they go fit take and go court. I don't know. We hear new things here every day. So my sister, if you know say they plan to chop anybody transport money, no do one, because now be like say courts don't dey in the favor of men. Then go ask you to pay back the money. So make una dey careful. If you want to visit somebody where you like, use your own transport, go. Stop requesting for transport money. Okay? Thank you.
Because of 150 naira for transportation to go and see Emmanuel, that this lady refused to go and see Emmanuel. Emmanuel told his friends about the incident that he had with this lady, that he invited this lady to come and see him, and the lady demanded for transport, and he sent her 150 naira for transportation. Now the lady did not turn up, like she did not, go and visit Emmanuel. And then when Emmanuel told his friends about it, the friends now told Emmanuel that he should pick up the case. Emmanuel took this matter to court, and guess what? This lady was charged to court by Emmanuel, and the fine case that they gave to this lady, according to the judge, that she is to pay 450,000 naira to Emmanuel for not obliging to go and see Emmanuel. And she knows she will not go. She collected the 150 naira from Emmanuel, or she will spend 7 years in prison in Kirikiri just because of 150 naira. Now, ladies, listen. Guys are no more joking. When I see the lectures where they collect from Gege, guys are no more playing. There are some people that you will do this to them, you will go scot-free. There are some people you will do it to them, you will not go scot-free. Now, this is one of it. Just because of 150 naira, you are now asked to pay 450,000 naira, or you will go 7 years in prison. You should choose one. This girl now, where will she get the 450,000 naira? Maybe now she will start, maybe her life savings, or people will come to her aid. If you know you're not interested in a relationship with a man, please stop collecting their money, especially when they invite you and you know you will not go. Don't collect transport money from them. Avoid collecting transport money. If you know feel go, rest. If you collect transport money, you go. The girl was not expecting this. She was not expecting this.
What 30,000 naira or 450,000 naira, almost 500,000 naira. This time, obesi answer. Ubetu achirawaje amame. Ewo comment section. Aha Penyah Media.